Hey everyone, it's Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing and review video. This time, we have a very exciting model, the Lufthansa 787-9 Dreamliner. Brand new model, a brand new aircraft actually for the airline. This is their first one that has just been delivered. It's registration Delta Alpha Bravo Papa Alpha, should be named, I believe it's named Frankfurt. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this one's named Frankfurt. I'll have to double check that actually, but we'll probably see when we open it up if it's on the aircraft. But yeah, very very exciting. The Lufthansa group has had 32 on order. This is the first one, so they have 31 still on order, of which this is the first one delivered, and some of the rest will be delivered going forward. Some of those aircraft on order might end up with Swiss or Austrian, but I believe the majority are going to end up with Lufthansa. Now, this aircraft I don't believe will ever end up at LA, but I just picked it up because it's a really, really nice looking model. Just one that I wanted to have in the collection, just because, yeah. But anyway, here we have it, the NG version of it, looking really, really nice. I know Aviation 400 released version of it. I saw that was really nice too. I didn't get to pick that one up, so I picked up the NG one. But here we have the box, really, really nice and unique livery with this sort of checkerboard pattern with the blue, the shades of blue and the yellow. So looking really nice. Got the box, turning it around. Got the back, so and the top. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Really, really excited for this model. So this was just delivered in real life, so brand new aircraft, nice new model. It could be better. All right, taking the top off. A little bit of paper. And gotta get it out the styrofoam here. Oh wow, looking really, really nice. Alrighty. There we have it. Really nice looking model. Just off to the side. Alright. Here we have them all, guys. Looking really, really nice. Actually, this one's name is Berlin. My bad on Frankfurt. It is Berlin. I think the next one is going to be named Frankfurt. It should be Papa Bravo. But yeah, here we have it. Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful Lufthansa 787-9. I remember, years ago, I was like, I don't think we'll ever see Lufthansa with 787s, but here we are, here we are. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Close up, let me just adjust the camera. There we go. Alright. So here we have it, guys. The Lufthansa 787-9. The NG mold looking really, really nice here. Great detail there. Pretty sure, pretty accurate. I think the windows are a little high, but I could be wrong. Anyway, next up we have the Lufthansa logo right there. Got the Starlines logo, L1 door, the little yellow right there. Got Lufthansa titles, and you got Boeing 787-9. Berlin is the name. The gear looking really nice too. Papa Alpha on it. And moving on, some great detail all along the fuselage here. You got the L2 door. Got the antennas at the top there. Everything looking really nice. You got the engines here looking really good. And whatnot. So very, very nice. The wings, really, really nice too. No flex, very, very nice. Let's move along then. Got that L3 door there. Moving to the back, you got the registration Delta Alpha Bravo Papa Alpha. German flag, the European Union flag there, the EU flag. And then the L4 door, got the antennas at the top, the antennas at the bottom. Looking very, very nice. Got the gear looking really good there too. And then back to the Lufthansa logo here on the tail. I do miss the yellow, but the new livery is kind of growing on me. It's not too bad. spin it around to this side. Actually, I just wanted to point back out on this side you have the bulk cargo door right there, bulk bin door right there. And yeah, so you got the actual cargo door there on this side. The wings looking really nice, just moving along. Same thing on this side here. 77 Berlin, all the detail on this side, and then the forward cargo door. Mole is pretty nice too. Obviously the tail cone section looking really good, really accurate. Got the little markings right there. Tail's looking really good. Overall, a very, very nice model. Highly recommend it if you can grab it. There's underneath very just Euro white, plain and simple. But yeah, really, really excited. This aircraft was just delivered to Frankfurt, and now here I have the model of it. So super excited. Yeah. There you have it, guys. The Lufthansa Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner NG model is really, really nice. Highly recommend it. Don't really know of anything else to say about this model other than it looks fantastic. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this review. Stay tuned for more model unboxing reviews, plane spotting, etc. And hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. See you all in the next one, guys. Bye bye.